Hi, this is Comet Troy of the Woodlands at Buffalo River in Perry County, Tennessee. We are about 5 minutes southeast of Linden, Tennessee. We're actually on lot 6 today, which is Kelly and Richard Abbott's lot. They bought the lot, I'm assuming, here in October of 2021, since it's a lower number lot, and these lots went for sale back then and pretty much sold out. So that may be an incorrect assumption, but I believe that's correct. And they haven't done anything with their lot yet. They've been working on their plans, and I talked to them a little bit, and they plan to, first clear the lot here and, make a spot for their RV. And they're going to do full hookups with water, electric, and sewer, which the lower number lots have city water here, unlike some of the higher numbered lots. And then once they get established with an RV site or two that they can park their their camper on, then they're looking at possibly putting a house on here down the road. I'm not sure if that's a barn dominium or what type of house they're looking at, but they have a beautiful lot here. It's 7 acres, and you can see their sold sign behind me and Kelly's pink flamingo flag, which she's real proud of. She wanted to make sure I got that in there. So we're here, and Richard and Kelly asked me to do some drone footage of their lot to show a before picture. They said there's a waterfall back in there, but I'm not thinking I'm gonna be walking through a jungle to get any ground footage. So we're primarily gonna focus on drone footage today. I'm gonna do a couple flyovers and put this on YouTube. So to Kelly and Richard and Kelly and Richard's friends who may be watching this, enjoy.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me.
actually uploaded this video to the Woodlands at Buffalo River YouTube channel. It's different from the traditional channel of Linden Camp, where I normally load the the build videos. I've renamed that to the RV Park Builder channel, so I'm trying to keep the drone footage separate from that. So, having said that, if you want to see some more, what's going on at the Buffalo or the Woodlands at Buffalo River, hit the subscribe button, make some comments, and ring the bell, and I will see you for the next lot tour.